Shocking revelations in South Africa. Alleged child pornography ring unveiled. In Randburg Magistrates Court, a gripping narrative unfolded as Tiona Megan Moodley, 25, presented her defense, distancing herself from the severe allegations made against her and her boyfriend, Darren Wilken, 34. Moodley declared herself merely a puppet in the operations directed by Wilken, amid charges of child pornography and an extensive list of other criminal activities. The couple has been thrust into the legal spotlight with multiple charges against them, including the possession, creation, and distribution of child pornography, alongside contraventions of the Drug Trafficking Act and numerous counts related to money laundering and the possession of proceeds from unlawful activities. The indictment doesn't end here. It also extends to possession of stolen property and fraud, enveloping the duo in a potentially deep legal quandary. During her emotional testimony in her bail application, Moodley strove to detach herself from the accusations, asserting that she functioned under the directive of Wilken, describing her role as that of an employee rather than a willful participant. She contended that the significant sums of money and assets seized at their shared residence were predominantly under Wilken's control, including a controversial $125,000 from a vehicle sale. The backlash against them initiated when an underage girl from the U.S. reported a so-called sextortion scheme, prompting an FBI investigation that eventually traced back to a website managed by Wilken. Moodley, in her affidavit, emphasized her limited role, saying Wilken oversaw the business's accounts and even her personal financial transactions were under his command. Wilken, in his defense, attempted to discredit the investigating officer's claims and insisted on the legality of his assets and transactions. His lawyer read an affidavit in court arguing the inconsistencies and inaccuracies in the prosecution's opposition to his bail application. Simultaneously, he expressed a continuing strong bond with his mother, who he indicated would support him through the trial. Both defendants' fates hinge on the upcoming court decision expected on February 14th, where the judge will rule on their bail applications. The state prosecutor, Colleen Ryan, countered the defense's claims aggressively, arguing the substantial evidence presented by the investigating officer merits serious consideration and substantiates the charges laid against Wilken and Moodley. As the community and media closely watch, the proceedings not only cast a dark shadow on the accused, but also pierce the veil on the disturbing underworld of child exploitation and the complex web of deceit and manipulation that often accompanies such grave offenses. Thank you for choosing Satori News.